Hi viewers, welcome to Spark and Crack IAS. Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about the Unit 4 maps from NCERT Class 6 book. Map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Maps provide more information than a globe. Globe can be useful when we want to study only a part of the Earth. Maps can be used to study about our country, states, districts, towns and villages. Types of maps. There are three types of maps. They are physical maps, political maps, thematic maps. Physical maps. Maps showing natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called physical or relief maps. Political maps. Maps showing cities, towns, villages, different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called political maps. Thematic maps. Maps focus on specific information such as road maps, rainfall maps and distribution of forest, industries, etc. in map format are known as thematic maps. Components of map. There are three components of maps. They are distance, direction, symbol. Distance. Maps are drawings which reduce the entire world or a part of it to fit on a sheet of paper. So that maps are drawn to reduced scales to represent a large distance of the ground in a small distance on a paper. For that, scale is used. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, we use small scale. It is known as small scale map. When a small area like a village or a town is to be shown on a paper, we use large scale. It is known as large scale map. Large scale maps are more informative than small scale maps. Direction. Most maps contain an arrow marked with the letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. This is also called north line. Cardinal directions. There are four major directions or cardinal points. They are north, south, east, west, and four intermediate directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Symbols. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual size and shape of the different features like buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines, rivers, lakes, etc. So they are shown by using certain symbols like shades, colors, pictures, lines and letters. We can collect information from the maps with the help of the symbols. Conventional symbols. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. Sketch. Sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes rough drawing is required of an area for multi-purposes. Such a rough drawing is a drawing without scale is called a sketch map. Plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives lot of information, but sometimes we may want to know length and breadth of a particular place that cannot be shown in a map. For that we can refer drawings drawn to scale. That is a plan. To know in map, blue color indicates water bodies, brown color indicates mountains, yellow color indicates plateau, green color indicates plains. A compass is used to find the main direction. Hi viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe please.